Hi guys and girls, this is Lee the Sprayer, Cariad Custom Drums, the most important man in Cariad, let me tell you.
No, you're
with
not.
lockdown hair. What? Yes I am. Go away. That's Lee the Drum in here. He's having a bit of a whinge that I'm not important. But, you know, brothers, we argue. Anyway, guys and girls, if you like our product and you like what we do, you can join our little special community over on Patreon, which is down underneath you with a link. If you like what we do, subscribe, which is over there, I think. And there's a bell, ding-a-dong, ding-a-dong. The bells. Press the bell icon as well and let you know when I'm rambling on again. So, the Patreon thing, just very briefly, and I'll show you the shells then. We joined that because we were looking to build a website separate for a community base. Those that really want to tuck in and follow and be part of what we do with ideas, suggestions, blah, 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 and extra bits and discounts and all the rest. Discounts on spraying and discounts on shop stuff and all the rest. So we thought of that, and then I come across this Patreon thing and thought, oh, that's great. So you can have a membership for, it's like going to the gym. You have a membership at the gym. So you can have £3 a month, £3 a month. It's like nothing. £7 a month, or £15 a month. I'm going to fingers. And join into that, and what it does, it gives you extras. It gives you benefits that are not on the free sites like YouTube. So if you fancy, get involved. I'm not going to say too much about that because it's your choice, up to you. But it helps us, it helps you, and as I said, some freebies. Hey, so right then, guys, what we've done is these are all Yamaha, 2 different customers, all Yamaha shells, and very nice shells in fairness to Yamaha and the old Sakai company. So what we had is a customer sent the shell down, and you can see there's a bit of fading going on. See it? Where it's losing its colour. So this one isn't too bad, so we didn't respray that one. But the one we did, which is that one, was really faded. It's almost gone back to natural wood colour. It was really, really, really faded. So he said, can you strip it back and can you colour match it? Really hard to do because naturally, look, there is just so many. It's hard to show you on the camera, but there is so many shades. I got really dark there, I got purple there, I got blue there. Very, very hard. Like it's even browns coming through at this point. So similar again, and it's slightly the grain slightly stronger effect on this one, a smidgen. So very hard. Again, blues, purples and all the rest. But if I was to swap them around like this and move them around in the light, I think you will agree that they are pretty close. It is mind-bending stuff trying to match wood grain colours. It really does fry the head. At one point that will look slightly bluer, then that will look slightly bluer. I think if I was to show you that for an example, actually I think they look really close there. I can move that slightly, and then if I turn them around, it's a slightly darker effect than that one. So we go with the flow, I have to say, depending on light, that's pretty good. I'm rambling. So let's move them out of the way. Next we have our man Nick here, who has a drum kit in this colour, beautiful colour. So you've got the cherry red underneath, but it's got the black sprayed over the top. We haven't sprayed this one, so he had 2 shells that he sourced, that he found, but they were only plain red all the way up, no black bit. So he said, can you help? So we did. So we cut them back, and what we do is we added the black in on the bigger drums, and then kept the cherry red underneath for him. So once again, there you go. There's a match there, and then once again, we do that one to that one. So again, all depends on what colours and what angles do you see, what shades coming through. That's the beauty of these drums. If I put all 3 together, una, due, tre, so you can see them a little bit. If I bring that in to focus there, like that, then there's a matching set. And it's really nice because lads and boys and girls, they are buying their drum kits and then they can add to them because we can colour match in and help them, and it's a pleasure to do so. And of course, it's always, as usual, very classy finish. It needs a little bit more polishing in the morning, and then these are ready to go out. Okay, and we always treat our customers' drums as if they were mine, so I always treat them the very, very best care possible. Right, I'm going home. I'm going to put these little badge packs in there, pack that shell up, send it out, and try and do a weekly little vlog going on between us, or one of the Lees will do, plus the more in-depth videos as well. Take care. Over and out. Bye. Bye. Go. See you later. Go. Get on with your job.